The River Wye is the UK's fourth longest river, stretching 250k long. In this video we cover the section from Horsewithy to Simmons Yap, which was absolutely stunning over the space of 5 days. Just going at the pace of nature and soaking in this beautiful place on the border of England and Wales. The put-in was at Horsewithy at Tressock's campsite, which was a great place to start this awesome adventure. With sunny skies and really nice weather, we loaded the canoe full of all our gear that felt like it would last for months on end. Once we loaded, we headed on downstream just to find somewhere to camp for the night. It was absolutely stunning and so nice to see so much wildlife and beauty along this stretch of river. After a gorgeous day of paddling, we finally found somewhere that was nice to camp, a little gravel bar on the side of the river. Right, I'd like to thank Surfshark for sponsoring today's video. Surfshark is a VPN service which stands for Virtual Private Network, and it gives me that security that I know all my information and my usernames and passwords are safe. Especially when I go away on travels and I use public Wi-Fi to do things, it is more of a risk to get hackers and some sort of virus through that. What I like about Surfshark is that you can get the VPN on multiple devices, which is great when I've got my phone and my laptop and other things, so I can have one account covering all them different devices. As well, it gives you a private IP address, which just gives me a lot more security. With looking for places to travel this year, you can change your IP address to a different location to get cheaper flights abroad. You can even get different access to benefit, including changing your IP address again and getting different shows on Netflix. If you are interested, you can get up to 83% discount as well as 3 months free. You can also do a 30-day trial, and if you're not happy, you can get your money back. I will leave a link in the description with my discount code, and you can use that to get all them different benefits. Thank you for listening to that, and now back to the video. We have now pitched up our first place for tonight. Got ourselves both a beer. Yeah, it's been a lovely day. It's been so sunny. Time now is 5 to 6. So what we're going to do is collect some firewood, get the dinner on. We got fish, new potatoes and asparagus tonight. And then probably do a bivvy camp. I'm feeling like a bivvy bag camp tonight. Just sleeping under the stars, but we will see. See what the weather's doing anyway. Cheers. If you know, you know. Keep the faith. Hazy's channel when he hiked the Cape Raft Trail back last year. What a beautiful spot. Just on this gravel bar now, next to the river. Got off, got all our gear out. Using this Winterwell pizza oven was a godsend. Having the ability to make fire and cook our food bankside without leaving a trace is perfect. It was really fuel efficient, seeing as there wasn't loads of wood to burn along the river. And it was ideal for cooking various types of food instead of just using a jet boil or something alike. It was also so cosy to sit round each evening while we had our food on the top or inside the burner itself. So we just got our dinner now. Got, what's this fish?
I actually haven't got a clue. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't know.
Is it nice?
Though. Yeah, yeah. I think it's some sort of sea fish in it.
I think I realised how important it is to cherish time and the moments that you have and always focus on the present. Just appreciating life and not always wanting for more. Hi everyone, it is day 2 and today we are heading on to WYE and probably go past that. So we've swapped roles, I'm in the back today. Just heading down now, it's been stunning, really sunny day, and we had a late start, did a bit of bushcrafty bits, had a fire going, made some brekkie. But yeah, really enjoying the WYE so far, it's been beautiful. We got this little map, so I'll probably show you through this later on. Show you where we've come from. Right, we are at camp spot number 2. I'll give you a tour around in a sec. Just having a brew that Jake kindly made. Cheers.
Chin chin.
Just enjoying the sunshine, sat in our little chairs. I'm gonna read a book and just chill, soak up the sun. I think it's meant to be cloudy for the rest of the week, so yeah, making the most of it. Enjoyed today?
Yeah, it's been lovely, hasn't it? A few near close death experiences.
We are carrying bloody everything though, aren't we?
Yeah, I think, like I said in my vid, Bex has packed everything but the kitchen sink.
I think he's judging me now. Unfortunately, the volume went here, as you can tell, but we were basically explaining what we had for dinner, which was sweet potato fries that we had in the oven and that lovely stir fry that Jakey is showing off. This went down a treat. We were blessed with such a stunning spot as well and had such a beautiful sunset.
Acting like a wild man, sleeping like a child. You're so luminous and vibrant. I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom. Always in bloom for so stranded.
I really hope you've enjoyed this video, part 1 of our trip down the River Wye. The next video will be on next week. Hope to see you there for part 2. Take care, thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all my Patreons for making this possible. All the best.